Hey, what's up? Building a Halloween fence is a fun and easy way to kind of keep some of your decor inside the yard if it's a windy day, and keep some of the children outside of the yard if you have a lot of trip hazards like I do. Also, this type of fence is really easy to collapse and store in the corner of your garage or the far corner of your basement. It just takes up like a foot of space, and we all know storage is very important for these types of things. So let's do it. The first thing you're going to want to do is measure the length of your yard for however long you want this fence to be. Take into consideration any bends or corners that you're going to go around. I used 1 inch by 2.5 inch boards. They're sold in lengths of 8 feet. Keep in mind, you'll need 1 board for the top of each section of the fence and 1 board for the bottom. So if you measured 80 feet in your yard, you'll need 20 of these 8-foot long boards. You will also need PVC pipe. I bought the 1 inch pipe, and these are sold in 20-foot long pieces. I made my fence 5 feet high, so 1 length of pipe gave me 4 fence bars. I needed a lot of pipe. You can do that 4-foot fence and make 5 fence bars per 1 pipe. It's up to you how tall you want the fence. Now I recommend painting the PVC bars before you cut them into their little lengths. I just use cheap spray paint and it goes a lot quicker, and then throughout the later years you're also going to have to come out and touch it up. It's just what happens. But it's quick and easy. You will need a 1 inch drill bit to drill the holes in the boards. I drilled a hole every foot apart. So my 5-foot fence took 2 of the 8-foot boards and 2 of the 20-foot pipe per section of fence. On each pipe, you're going to want to measure about 8 inches down and put a screw into the pipe, just sticking out like this. This is going to help hold the fence in place on the top and the bottom. So to start, we're going to take 2 of these and we're going to set up the bottom first. So here and here. And next, you're going to take a piece of rebar and stick one on each end. All the rest of the pipe and all the screws are going to be at the top of the fence. Oh, come on. Slide the pipe right down over the rebar. Now you've got a nice solid foundation. Okay. And one on the other end here. And then, it's a little tricky, but you take the top part, slide it down over all the pipe, and it will rest on all the top screws. Giving you a piece of fence. And that's it. Be sure to check out some of my other videos for some fun builds. Until then, keep it spooky, my crazy friends, and have a safe Halloween.